The African Magic Viewers' Choice Award (AMVCA) is one of the biggest nights in Nigerian entertainment and is also a major fashion moment. Celebrities from all over the country come together to celebrate the best of Nollywood, and they always dress to impress. This year's AMVCA was no exception, as some of our favorites dressed so well. Here are the top best dressed at the award show. It was a night to remember, and the fashion was definitely a big part of it. The red carpet was awash with color, glamour, and style. From traditional Nigerian attire to sleek and sophisticated gowns, there was something for everyone to admire. Who is your best dressed?